Today I am reviewing the Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee maker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a coffee lover looking to bring the cafe experience home, the Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee maker is an all-in-one solution that combines convenience, versatility, and professional-style brewing in one sleek machine. This coffee maker is designed to satisfy every type of coffee drinker, from those who enjoy a classic cup of drip coffee to espresso enthusiasts who crave cappuccinos or lattes. Starting with its 4-in-1 functionality, this machine allows you to brew up to 12 cups of rich, full-bodied coffee or opt for single-serve pods for quick espresso, cappuccino, or latte. The flexibility to switch between multi-cup brewing and single-serve brewing makes it ideal for households with multiple coffee preferences or for those who just want a quick cup in the morning without waiting for a full pot. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Coffee Center is its programmable and fully automatic brewing capabilities. You can set it to brew at a specific time up to 24 hours in advance, ensuring that your coffee is ready when you wake up. The adjustable keep warm function keeps your coffee at the perfect temperature for up to 4 hours, while the brew pause feature lets you pour a cup mid-brew, so you're never waiting for your caffeine fix. For coffee aficionados who like control over every aspect of their brew, this machine includes brew strength control, allowing you to choose a mild, medium, or bold flavor profile. Additionally, it comes with a gold tone, commercial-style permanent filter and a charcoal water filter, ensuring that every cup is clear, clean, and rich in flavor. No bitter aftertaste, no paper filter waste, just smooth, aromatic coffee every time. The single-serve brewing system is highly versatile. It supports Keurig K-Cup pods, as well as other standard single-serve coffee pods, giving you endless options for flavors and styles. You can choose between 6, 8, and 10-ounce cup sizes, tailoring your coffee strength to your mood or time of day. For espresso lovers, this machine is also Nespresso OriginalLine compatible, giving you the ability to make a single or double espresso shot. Pair it with milk frother or steamed milk for a perfectly textured cappuccino or latte, right in your kitchen. In terms of design, the Cuisinart Coffee Center is compact and stylish, with a modern black finish that fits easily on any countertop. Despite its multifunctionality, it remains user-friendly with intuitive controls and a clear display. Cleaning is straightforward, thanks to the removable drip tray and accessible parts. Overall, the Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee maker is an excellent investment for anyone serious about coffee. Whether you're brewing a full pot for a morning routine, enjoying a quick single-serve espresso, or experimenting with specialty coffee drinks, this machine delivers consistency, flavor, and convenience. It's like having a professional barista in your own home, without the cafe prices.